Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to highlight your mouse cursor on your PC, then this video is for you. So it's pretty simple, but you just need to go to your Microsoft store and you have to search for mouse cursor highlight. And then you will find some free application that can help you to highlight your mouse cursor. Here you can see the mouse pointer highlight. This is the application that we are looking for. Now you can just simply click on get and it will start installing. So it will actually highlight your mouse pointer just like this. You just need to wait until it installed on your device. And you can see it has just installed, it has just downloaded the mouse pointer and it has just installed the mouse pointer highlight. So here you can see my mouse pointer is highlighted on my screen. So here you can select the size, you can increase or decrease the size just like this. And here you can see it has just decreased the size, or you can just increase it, yeah, just like this. So the minimal size I think 25 is minimal for me. Then you can select the opacity. You can increase or decrease opacity between 0 to 255. So if I give the max 255, here you can see the max one, or if I just decrease it to 50 only, so here you can see it has just decreased the opacity. So just like this, you can just easily increase or decrease the opacity of the highlighter here. Then you can select the color. Here you will find different type of solid color. Here you can also create some custom color. You will find totally a color board where you can find all types of colors and shades. Then you can click highlight. You can enable the click highlight just like this, the highlight. So if you enable it, then it will stir the click highlight here. So just like this. If I disable it, so it won't show you the click highlight, or if you enable it, it will show the click highlight just like this. Then the size, the click highlight size, you can also select the click highlight size if you want. So then you also can select the color of that highlighter here. So just like this, you can set up your mouse cursor highlighter on your PC. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.